Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover essential English phrases for travel. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, knowing these key phrases will make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. From checking in at the airport to ordering food at a restaurant, these expressions will help you navigate any situation with confidence. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about some airport phrases. When you arrive at the airport, you might need to ask, "Where's the check-in counter?" Or, "Where can I find the boarding gate?" These questions will help you find your way around. Once you're checking in, you can say, "I'd like to check in, please," and when you're ready to board, show your ticket and say, "Here's my boarding pass." These simple phrases will get you through the airport without any hassle. Next, let's look at phrases for transportation. When taking a taxi or rideshare, start by saying, "Can you take me to?" For example, "Can you take me to the city center?" Or, "Could you drop me off at the train station, please?" If you're using public transport, you can ask, "Where is the bus stop?" Or, "Which train goes to the airport?" These questions will help you get around easily. When you arrive at your hotel, you'll need some basic phrases for checking in. Greet the receptionist and say, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name," followed by your name. You can ask, "What time is checkout?" Or, "Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m., please?" And if you need any extra services, simply say, "Could I get an extra towel?" Or, "Is there a laundry service?" Being able to communicate your needs will make your stay more comfortable. Now, let's go over some restaurant phrases. When you arrive at a restaurant, you can say, "A table for two, please," or, "Can I see the menu?" Once you're ready to order, use "I'd like" or "Can I have?" For example, "I'd like a salad, please," or "Can I have a glass of water?" If you have any dietary restrictions, say, "I'm allergic to nuts," or "Is this dish gluten-free?" This will ensure that your meal suits your needs. When you're out shopping, you'll find these phrases helpful. "How much does this cost?" Or, "Can I try this on?" If you're looking for something specific, say, "Do you have this in another size?" Or, "I'm looking for a souvenir." If you want to pay, simply say, "I'll take this, please," and don't forget to say, "Thank you," before leaving the store. Another common travel situation is asking for directions. If you're lost or need help finding a place, start with, "Excuse me, could you help me?" Then ask, "How do I get to?" or "Where's the nearest?" For example, "How do I get to the museum?" Or, "Where is the nearest bank?" It's always good to know how to ask for directions and understand the responses, so listen carefully and don't hesitate to ask for clarification if needed. Finally, let's go over some emergency phrases. Hopefully, you won't need them, but it's always better to be prepared. If you need help, say, "I need help, please," or "Can you call an ambulance?" For lost items, you can say, "I lost my passport," or "I can't find my wallet." In case of any problem, stay calm and communicate clearly. With these essential phrases, you'll feel more comfortable and confident during your travels. Practice them before your trip, and you'll be ready to handle different situations with ease. Remember, the key is to stay calm and speak clearly. People will appreciate your effort to communicate. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons and travel tips. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful trip. See you in the next video.